Welcome to our channel Library Facts. Today we're going to explain essential topic, how to start a digital library in your existing library. This video will provide you with a step-by-step approach to launching a successful digital library. Step 1. Understand the concept of a digital library. Before starting, it's crucial to understand what a digital library is. A digital library is an online platform where users can access a wide range of digital resources, such as ebooks, journals, articles, videos, and other multimedia content. Key components like digital collections, access platform, search and retrieval system, digital rights management, user authentication. Step 2. Assess your library's needs and capabilities. The next step is to assess the needs of your library and its users. Understanding what types of digital resources are in demand, your budget, technological infrastructure you have in place. Step 3. Build a team and create a plan. Starting a digital library is a team effort. After that, create a comprehensive plan like goals and objectives, budget, timeline, technology requirements. Step 4. Choose the right software and platform. Selecting the right software and platform of your digital library. Factors like user interface, customization, integration, support, and updates. Step 5. Digitize your collection. Once your platform is selected, the next step is to digitize your existing collection. This can include books, journals, and more. Step 6. Acquire digital content. In addition to digitizing your own collection, likely need to acquire digital content from external sources, like purchase, subscription, open access. Step 7. Implement digital rights management. To protect your digital content and comply with copyright laws, implementing DRM is essential, like user authentication, license agreements, usage monitoring. Step 8. Launch and promote your digital library. With everything in place, it's time to launch your digital library. Point to be considered like soft launch, training, promotion, and feedback. Step 9. Maintain and update your digital library. A digital library requires ongoing maintenance to stay relevant and functional. Regular updates to software, adding new content, and removing outdated materials are all part of maintaining a digital library. Maintenance checklist. Content updates. Regularly add new digital content and remove obsolete materials. Software updates. Keep your digital library platform updated with the latest software versions. User support. Provide ongoing support for users to help them navigate the digital library. Feedback loop. Continuously gather user feedback and make improvements. Starting a digital library in your existing library is a rewarding but challenging endeavor. By following these steps, you can create a digital library that not only meets the needs of your users, but also enhances the overall value of your library. Thank you for watching this episode of Library Facts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on the world of libraries.